Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a cobblestone generator wall. Let's get straight into it. So you're gonna need these resources down here. Oh, maybe not the dirt, but yeah. Okay, so you're gonna want to start by breaking a 10 block trench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then from any side you can just break 2 blocks down. And then just go all the way across. 1, 2. That's what I need that. Just so now you're gonna want to get your piston and put it across. And I missed one. Okay. Now from any side you can just break blocks here. And then I'm just gonna go like break these blocks down here and over there. Now you're gonna want to get your water and place it at the back. Okay, that's cool. Now on the other side, you wanna just break one line over here. And don't do anything yet. That's gonna be where the lava comes. Yeah, lava. Oh dang. So now over here, you're gonna wanna dig 3 blocks down. Go down. Oh wait, 3 blocks down. I forgot. 3 blocks down, I think. And wait, not there. There. Then you're gonna wanna just go 3 blocks down again from here. Then you're gonna wanna just dig your way over there. When you see the end of the the pistons, so just say over here. Yep. Fix this. Now you're gonna want to dig a hole here, and that's gonna help you push the cobblestone up. And then you're gonna want to put repeated redstone repeater. Now you're gonna want to put your redstone right there, and 4 redstone there, 3 redstone there, and then break 9 blocks in. Wait, 9 blocks, 2 extra. And then you're gonna want to put 1 repeater here, redstone torch, 2 of these, 2 of those. Oh, flashing. Then you might want to just do this for now. We're not going to connect it yet because we need to put the lava first. Then let's just leave that there. Now you can just put, actually, yeah, that's better. You can just put the lava on like 2 blocks away because it'll spread. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. And let's just go over here. So if you did it correct, you should do that. And now let's just break this there. We can connect this redstone, and then just go that way and block this part. Just block this part. Oh. And then it should just build up. Yep. If you break it, it'll automatically generate back. It should. If it doesn't, then well, it might take some time for this part to generate. I think, to be honest, I think it'll just keep going up. And I don't know if that's a good thing, but yeah. There might be a limit to where it goes, but other than that, I think it just keeps going up. Yeah, just put it there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it just keeps going up. Well, that's the end of the tutorial. So, peace out.